Want to build rock-solid, scalable applications? Then you need to master source code management and branching strategies. We're diving deep into how Azure DevOps CI/CD leverages these to streamline deployments. Get ready to supercharge your workflow. First, let's talk about the foundation, Azure Repos Git. This isn't just a place to dump your code. It's the central hub for managing every change, fostering team collaboration, and ensuring code integrity. And crucially, it's where your branching strategy comes to life. Why a well-defined branching strategy is absolutely essential for a smooth and efficient CI/CD pipeline. Now, the core of our discussion, branching strategies. Focus on a widely used approach. You'll have feature branches for individual features, keeping your main codebase clean. Then, the develop branch acts as the integration zone, where all feature branches are merged. And finally, the master branch holds your stable releases, ready for production. Pull requests, PRs, are the linchpin of this process. They're not just about code reviews, they're about ensuring quality, preventing bugs, and fostering knowledge sharing. Demonstrate how each branch plays a critical role in our CI/CD pipeline. Azure Repos allows creation of branches, demonstrating feature branch creation, change pushing, and pull request initiation. This establishes collaboration and code quality. YAML configuration links branching strategy to the CI/CD pipeline, triggering builds and tests on feature branches and pull requests. This ensures change validation before merging into develop or master. Automated testing on pull requests provides feedback before merging, ensuring code quality. Approved pull requests merge into the develop branch, triggering a CI build to verify integration and stability. Branching strategies are integral to Azure DevOps CI/CD for building robust, scalable applications. Like and subscribe for more Azure DevOps tutorials, and share with your team.